Hey YouTube, what's up? We're gonna do Talk Tonight by Oasis. It's a request by a viewer. And it's kind of a cool song. This is something that you see in a lot of songs. Is see how I got my ring finger and my pinky on the B and high E? Well, I'm gonna just leave them there basically. Sometimes on the C, you might move the ring finger, but otherwise you're just going to leave them there the whole song. And you're going to play the chords with just your pointer and your middle finger. All right, so the song starts on E minor. And what I'm doing is I'm playing the A string at the second fret, and I'm muting the D string with that same finger. And so then we play all six strings, but of course the D is muted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then goes the A. 2, 2, 2, 3. Stays there 2 bars. And then C, 1 bar. This is a B. And then it goes back to the A. And then it finishes on the C. So that's the verse. Stays on A for 2 bars. And then to go to the chorus, we start on the C. Wanna say, don't wanna talk tonight. So I'm playing starting on the C, G, over this, and then we go F sharp. We're muting the A string. And then E minor, then back to C. I wanna talk tonight. How you save my life. All right, thanks for watching and thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye-bye.